Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have the best lunch meat and cheese container for the refrigerator, the RMAMSCOV camping bowl. This collapsible bowl is perfect for storing your favorite foods on the go or at home. Let's dive into the features of this innovative product. The RMAMSCOV camping bowl is made of food-grade silicone, making it safe and durable for everyday use. It is BPA-free, environmentally friendly, and high-temperature resistant, ensuring it can withstand all your food storage needs. One of the standout features of this camping bowl is its leak-proof cover. The lid fits securely, reducing the possibility of spillage and keeping your food fresh and secure. No more worries about dust or dirt approaching your meal. The collapsible design of this food container is truly revolutionary. It folds down to 1/3 of its original size, making it perfect for storage in your pocket, purse, backpack, or suitcase. It takes up minimal space, making it ideal for camping trips, hikes, picnics, and more. The RMAMSCOV camping bowl comes with a carry bag and a set of foldable tableware, including a fork, spoon, and chopsticks, making it convenient for storage and transportation. It's the perfect solution for all your kitchen food storage needs. In conclusion, the RMAMSCOV camping bowl is a versatile and practical food storage solution for your busy lifestyle. Whether you're on the go or at home, this collapsible bowl is a must-have. Get yours today and make meal prep and storage a breeze. That's all for today's review on the RMAMSCOV camping bowl. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.